I'm Atika Schubert, just outside London. I'm here at the Ahmadiyya Mosque at Friday prayers on this Eid al-Fitr holiday. And leaders here have taken the initiative to pull together religious and community leaders to issue a joint protest statement against the Quran burnings. But while some Muslim leaders here say they are hopeful that the Quran burning will be called off, they are dismayed that it may come at the cost of moving the mosque near Ground Zero.
If true freedom of religion is to prevail, then one must never be forced to choose between protecting the word of God and the house of God. For both are sacred before God.
Well, thousands of people came here for the last Friday prayer before Eid al-Fitr, and we had a chance to ask some of them what they thought about the Quran burning controversy in the United States.
All the religions should be respected and their books should be respected. And it is not only for Islam. We have to respect Bible, we have to respect books of all the religions. It can only create chaos.
Now, how will the Muslim community react here? Well, that really depends on what happens next in Gainesville, Florida. What we do know is that there is a small protest being organized in front of the U.S. Embassy tomorrow on September 11th. And they do say, the protest organizers, that they will burn the U.S. flag.